Automating your coating line. Choosing the wrong equipment can cost you hundreds of thousands. Reciprocators move spray guns in a fixed path. They are ideal for high-volume production of standard parts with consistent shapes. Fixed trajectory, repeatable parameters. The larger the batch, the greater the advantage. The downside: limited flexibility. Frequent changeovers are a struggle. Spray robots feature multi-axis articulated arms with fully programmable trajectories. They offer high flexibility and are perfect for high-mix, low-volume production. Changeovers are done by simply loading a new program. No mechanical adjustments needed. The trade-off: lower per-station output and higher investment and maintenance costs. ZhanYao provides precise equipment recommendations based on part geometry, production volume, and changeover frequency. High volume, few variants gives Reciprocator lower investment, cost-efficient operation. High mix, low volume gives robot high flexibility, zero changeover downtime. From pre-treatment to curing, we deliver complete turnkey lines with synchronized sections, ensuring no efficiency loss from mismatched equipment selection. Reciprocator or robot for your line? Let us know in the comments.
ZHYAO, together we color the world.